Hi, this is Vanessa, Sarah, Josephine and Deirdre. Say hi everyone.
Hi.
Ladies, you're here in Thailand at the moment and have come to Bumrungrad International Hospital for plastic surgery. Tell us about your experience. Vanessa, you go first.
Okay, let's see. My experience, very positive. Wasn't really overly nervous because I knew that there was someone going to be waiting for me and sort of taking me through the steps, and will be there if I needed to after surgery. Also meeting the lovely girls as well, was sharing. So,
what were your perceptions about the hospital before you arrived?
Great. I did a lot of research. I've had friends that have went to Bumrungrad, like my sister, who got her boobs done as well, and she said it was better than most motels she's ever stayed at.
What about you, Sarah, Josephine and Deirdre? What did you think when you first walked into the hospital?
I was amazed. It's absolutely awesome. It's way better than any hospital in Australia.
Very clean.
For one, there's McDonald's in there.
Yeah. As for working in a hospital, different hospitals, I would rate that #1 over any hospital I've been to and worked at in Australia.
It's the third #1 hospital in the world.
It is fantastic. Absolutely fantastic.
What about your doctors? So Vanessa, you had Dr.
Tirasat?
Who was your doctor, Sarah?
I had Dr. Nond.
Joe?
Dr. Conway.
And Deirdre?
I had Dr. Conway and Dr. Nicole.
So tell us, Deirdre, first you had actually had surgery in Australia and you've now had surgery in Thailand. How is that compared?
There's no comparison to the surgeon that I went to in Australia that actually left the left breast 3 centimetres lower than the right. I came out of surgery here with them absolutely spot on, absolutely feeling great. Recovery time just healed within about 3 days. So I'm really doing well. The surgeon in Australia needs sacking.
Tell us, what have you had done?
I've had a breast augmentation implant, had a abdominoplasty, corrective surgery. I had corrective surgery to the lower face with the surgeon. This is 3 procedures I had done in Australia.
Right.
It cost me $16,000 in Australia, and he actually stuffed it up. Went back to him to have it corrected, and he wanted more money to correct it.
Right.
And then I had a liveroplasty after having 4 children.
Yeah. And when did you have it done in Australia?
I had done it in Australia 2008.
Right. So
and I've been fighting him ever since.
And so you decided, rather than fighting it further, to come overseas and have it corrected?
Have it corrected, yeah. I should have came here in the first place, but I was a little bit apprehensive because I didn't really know. I didn't know about Bumrungrad Hospital, anything like that. When I started doing the research, I really felt angry with myself for actually letting a surgeon in Australia do what he did to me.
Yeah.
But I could have had it done over here.
And how much did it cost? You said you paid $16,000 at home.
It cost $400 baht. It cost about 16 here, I think. 16 with 4 different procedures. In Australia, I had 3.
Right, so you've got an extra procedure
out of it.
And a
Great result.
Yeah. And a great result, yeah. I feel great. Hardly any bruising, downtime. My face, my neck, I had bruising was gone within about 4 to 5 days. No pain, recovery time, because you feel no pain.
Yeah.
That's a quicker time recovery.
Yeah.
Fantastic. And the doctors can't do enough for you. They find a problem with you because I had a chronic asthmatic attack. They sent me to the lung specialist straight away, Dr. Conway. There was no mucking around. You had specialists all around you, so you felt so safe.
Yeah, wow.
Yeah.
And what about you ladies? I mean, you're here, you've come over by yourselves and staying in the GHT patient apartments. How's that been?
Great. These girls have made my experience so much better. Without these 2 girls, I think I would have been crying every day and being really upset, but the apartments is the way to go, I think, if you're coming by yourself.
Yeah, definitely.
Sarah, tell us a little bit about your doctor.
Dr. Nond, he's lovely. He really comes across that he puts his patients first, and he's so cute. I just want to take him home. Yeah, but he's fabulous.
Yeah. And is everyone happy with the results?
Yes.
Oh, fantastic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's been the best part about the whole experience?
Getting
Really?
boobs. Having boobs.
Being able to look at yourself in the mirror without having disfigurement.
Yeah, the
previous
results.
surgery.
Yeah. Okay, will be realistic results.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
And have you enjoyed your post-op recovery in Bangkok?
fantastic.
I have.
Fantastic.
Yeah, being
I've been out every night, so.
Would you come back to Thailand for surgery again?
Yes,
I probably come back
recommend
for a
it.
holiday. Yeah.
I've got people that's interested, so yeah, highly recommend it.
What about, have you got any tips for people at home? Like, is there something that you think that people at home should know?
Be aware that there is post-op pain. Everyone's different. Like, I was the worst out of us girls. Just be aware of that. You'll be really sore for a couple of days after.
Just mentally prepare, I guess. Also, don't come over by yourself and thinking, yep, I'll be fine, and go to a motel room and because you will get lonely, especially if you're laying in your bed for a while. But like I said, these apartments are great because you get to meet wonderful people. The carers here are wonderful as well. We couldn't live without them. And yeah, like I said, it's just been a really good experience, and our last night here. So it's pretty sad, and
We all love Johnny.
yeah. And off to the Ladyboy show.
Say hi, Johnny.
Hi, it's me. Coming. I will check out for your DA. See you soon.
Alright, thank you, Global.
Deirdre and Josephine, do you have any tips for people at home? Something you think is really important that they should...
Just don't be afraid to, when you actually decide to come over to have surgery, to contact the Global Health Authorities and be in constant contact and ask questions. Because in that way there, and never be afraid, because there's always a person here to support you.
Yeah, I would agree with Vanessa. Don't expect to do it all on your own because it can be scary.
Being in a foreign country as well.
Yeah, being so far away from home.
Because you originally were booked into a hotel, Josephine. How do you think that would have compared if you were over at... You were going to stay in the President's Solitaire and then we switched you to the apartment.
Yeah, originally I was going to do it on my own, and I'm really glad I haven't, because this experience beats it by a million.
Because of us.
Yeah, thanks to these
You probably
girls.
would have had a better night's sleep without me vomiting.
Hey, they ate all my pills as well. My medication.
I guess that's pretty fun that you've all been able to share stories, share food, share...
Yeah, she shaved under my arms this morning because I couldn't lift my arms up.
And what
Don't get that back in Australia.
What about the breakfast here that Sue makes? And
Oh, she's such a good cup.
Where's Sue? Sue, come and say hello. Has Sue been taking care of you? Has she been a good maid?
She's a fabulous cook.
She's not lucky she's going home in my port day back.
That's good. And she was bringing in ice packs for you when you needed, I hope.
Yeah. And she gives really good back massages.
Yeah, she's done a lot for us.
She even cut her hair.
Cut my hair.
Did she?
Yeah.
After you had the hair extensions, she cut it for you?
Yeah, maintain them. Thank you.
I didn't know how talented you were, Sue.
Very talented.
Secrets out.
Alright, well ladies, so what's the plan tonight?
Ladyboys
Ping pong show.
and the Ladyboy show.
Well,
Farewell, one last night in Bangkok.
one last night in Bangkok.
Style.
Well, have a great night tonight, and I hope to see you again soon, one day in the future.
Bye.